Chafasan is a strategic border crossing to for North Macedonia with 1.5 million passengers and 100,000 trucks crossing it annually. The new customs facility will provide for better control, including through better food, veterinary and phytosanitary inspection. The construction of this terminal is part of the 16 million euro assistance under the IPA to the Customs Administration. Prime Minister mentioned the joint border crossings, and we welcome and support government's commitment first to establish joint border crossings with the neighboring countries, as it was done recently with Serbia, and we hope that will be followed up with a crossing point with Albania. And I think our contribution to building a joint customs terminal is a step to that one-stop shop direction also with Albania. Thank you very much.
Во оваа прилика ја изразувам мојата, како и благодарноста на владата до Европската Унија за поддршката во постигнувањето по високи стандарди во сите јавни сфери во нашата држава и нејзината интеграција во Унијата.